To send money from Taptap Send to Nepal in 2025, you need to follow a series of straightforward steps. First, ensure you have the Taptap Send app installed on your mobile device and that you are registered with a valid account. If you do not have an account, download the app and sign up by providing the required information. Once you have access to your account, navigate to the Send Money section. Here, you will be prompted to select the country you wish to send money to. In this case, Nepal. Choose Nepal from the list of available countries. Next, you need to enter the amount of money you want to send. Taptap Send will display the current exchange rate and the total amount the recipient will receive in Nepalese rupees. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Taptap Send account to cover the transaction amount and any applicable fees. After entering the amount, you will be asked to provide the recipient's details. This includes their full name and a valid phone number. For transactions to Nepal, you may also need to provide additional details such as the recipient's bank account number or their e-wallet information, depending on the delivery method you choose. Taptap Send offers various delivery methods in Nepal, including bank deposits, cash pickups, and mobile wallet transfers. Select the most convenient method for your recipient. If you choose a bank deposit, ensure the recipient's bank is among the list of supported banks. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the transfer. This includes the amount, exchange rate, fees, and the recipient's information. Once you are satisfied that all details are correct, confirm the transaction. Taptap Send will then process the transaction, and the recipient will receive the money in their chosen delivery method. You will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is successful, and you can also track the status of the transaction in your Taptap Send account. To ensure a smooth transaction, it is essential to comply with Taptap Send's terms and conditions and Nepal's money transfer regulations. Keep your Taptap Send account and contact information up to date to receive important notifications and updates about your transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily send money from Taptap Send to Nepal in 2025. Remember to always verify the recipient's details and transaction information to avoid any errors or delays.